As the moon begins to glow, it's time for your body to slow. A warm cup of milk in your hand guides you to a dreamy land. Sleepy time feast, gentle and light, fills your heart with soft delight. Close your eyes and breathe in deep. Healthy meals bring peaceful sleep. Sweet helps your dreams feel complete. Early to bed, rest your head. Let your worries all be shed. Sleepy time feast, gentle and light, fills your heart with soft delight. Close your eyes and breathe in deep. Healthy meals bring peaceful sleep. Wholesome bites, a calming breeze, drift away with perfect ease. Sleep well, little one, don't you weep. Tomorrow's joy begins with sleep. Sleepy time feast, gentle and light, fills your heart with soft delight. Close your eyes and breathe in deep. Healthy meals bring peaceful sleep. Rest now, darling, night is near. Healthy dreams will keep you clear. With each bite, your strength will grow, and in the morning you'll brightly glow.
Hey there, little dreamers. Did you know that a warm cup of milk before bed isn't just cozy? It's super helpful too. Let's dive into the dreamy world of milk and why it's perfect for bedtime. Milk contains something called tryptophan. Tryptophan helps your body make a special chemical called serotonin, which calms your mind and makes you feel sleepy. It's like your body's way of saying, hey, it's time to rest. But that's not all. Milk is also packed with calcium and protein. These nutrients help your body repair and grow strong, especially when you sleep early. So, while you're dreaming, your body is busy healing and getting ready for another fun day. And guess what? Early bedtime helps your brain rest too. A good night's sleep recharges your energy, keeps you healthy, and even helps you think clearer in the morning. Isn't that amazing? So next time you sip on that warm milk, remember, you're giving your body the perfect bedtime boost. Sleep tight, little ones, and wake up ready to shine. Sweet dreams, and see you soon for more fun facts.
Soft delight, close your eyes.